Hello, this is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International, and today we're looking at this beautiful 2005 Ford Excursion 6.0 liter diesel 4x4 limited edition. It has only 147,000 miles. As you can see, it is this beautiful beige color with tan leather interior, polished alloy wheels, running boards, always equipped with towing package, of course. Tires are in really nice shape. Overall, very, very clean looking truck right here. Go ahead and we'll open up the inside and show it to you before we do a startup. Got the buttons on the door here for you. Look at this interior. Absolutely gorgeous. If you're looking for a clean Excursion, check this thing out. Hit the VIN real quick down here. Got the 4x4 on the dash, in-dash CD changer, AC and heat. These are heated seats and power seats. Got the infotainment and compass up top, rear AC controls along with rear window controls. Does have the rear entertainment. Back seats. Super clean. Back doors. We do have this vehicle available locally and online for sale. So if you're an interested buyer, please pick up your phone and give me a call right away. 954-258-2700. We do end listings and sales early for buyers, so please don't wait. If you have any questions and you'd like to ask me, please, the best way to get a hold of me is by text or phone call. Sometimes a few days can go by between the messages on some of the apps. Due to the nature of the online business, I do get a lot of phone calls and I don't want to miss yours, so please follow up or I'll get back to you as soon as I have the chance. All right, let's go ahead and start this thing up. As you can see here, we got a beautiful 2005 Excursion 6.0 liter diesel 4x4 limited. If you're interested in this truck, we can ship it to your doorstep. We have a very simple DocuSign paperwork process. If you're interested in buying one of our vehicles, please give me a call. I can send you everything to your email or phone for your review. Once we get signed paperwork, you're free to send your payment. Once payment is received in full, we can typically ship out within 12 to 24 hours. Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to speaking with you soon.